to stay on this road as well. Can you see?
Yep.
Up at the lights, there's 2 lanes that go around to the right, isn't there?
Yeah.
Both of them. So we're okay where we are.
You just stay there.
Good. And still look far now. Still look up where the lights are to keep you pointing where you need to point.
Yeah.
Good. Now, have a look at the car behind. Alright, I was going to say drive up a little bit so they can get through, but they wanted to drive on the pavement instead. Because they're too impatient just to wait a second. They'd rather go and sit there at the red light for even longer.
I didn't know they can't go anyway.
Okay. But it's an important little point, that, to keep an eye on people around, and sometimes in this situation, by just moving up a little bit, a few feet, it can allow someone through on the left hand side. Alright?
Okay.
It's a good one, that.